been a long time. We are back again on this channel. और ये एक महीने में मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सोचा एंड सोचने के बाद मैं इस नतीजे पे पहुंचा कि आज तक मैंने जिस भी चीज़ को अचीव करना चाहा आई हैव जस्ट नॉट बीन कंसिस्टेंट एंड ये रियलाइजेशन मुझे अंदर के अंदर थी. आई जस्ट नीडेड समवन टू जस्ट टेल मी अप फ्रंट अबाउट इट. सो आई स्पोक टू माई वाइफ एंड आई आस्क्ड हर अप फ्रंट कि भाई मेरा म्यूजिक अच्छा है या नहीं. एंड शी वाज लाइक म्यूजिक इज गुड. The only problem is you are not consistent, and I think that's what I want to do. And I think that was just maybe a slap on my face, be like, hey, why are you not doing what you can do? मैंने इस साल के लिए सिर्फ 3 गोल बनाए हैं जिसको मैं अचीव करना चाहता हूँ. पहला है इस YouTube चैनल पे एक वीडियो ऐसी हो जो 1 लाख व्यूज आए एंड ओवरऑल मेरे 25,000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाए. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू रिलीज एटलीस्ट 2, which is realistic, 2 original songs this year. That will be my entry gate into music again. I've started going outside, I've started performing at many places. Plus, today is Canada Day and I'm performing again. इसकी footage जो है मैं आपको अगले वीडियो में दिखा पाऊंगा. I think I'm mentally in a phase where I'm feeling good enough to put myself out there, do what I actually wanted to do. Most of the time, so last 10 years में I've been chasing multiple things: a stable career, a good degree, and then a permanent residency, and then land a good job, which was all fine and that is absolutely needed. But then again, now I realize कि अगर मैं एक ही चीज़ को consistently करता तो things could have been different. But never say never. Today is the time we are starting this. I don't know why I'm feeling very confident now. It's not just about sad things that have happened. There has been a lot of improvements that have happened in the last couple of years. I moved into a new apartment, and this is the first time ever in my life that I have owned a full apartment by myself with my own money in a totally different country. How awesome is that? Also always wanted to have a room of dedicated content creation space, which is now this. अभी मेरे सिर्फ 3 गिटार आपको दिख रहे होंगे, बट इसके अंदर मैं धीरे धीरे चीज़ें ऐड करूँगा. Obviously I don't have that kind of money to spend everything all together, so मैं slowly build कर लूँगा इस चीज़ को. Now the question is, what is actually stopping me from doing everything that I have to do? Self-doubt. And ये चीज़ ही मुझे अब overcome करनी है. That is my 3rd goal of this year. On the personal front, I'm still waiting for Harshita and Avi to come. I hope ये situation भी जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो जाए. And I think इस महीने हो जाएगी. It's July, so होना चाहिए because it's been almost 9 months that we applied for their permanent residency. So they should be here soon. If not, तो मैं इस बड़े अपार्टमेंट का रेंट सिर्फ बेमतलब दूंगा और that will hurt my gut. It's kind of emotional, but today the video is not about all the sad stories. There are some positives to the video. Emotionally, I'm feeling very confident. I'm getting back into music. Plus, अपने आप मुझे म्यूजिक वापस आ रहा है. मुझे बता रहा है कि भाई तू गाना बना सकता है और हम बना रहे हैं उस चीज़ को. कई जगहों पे जाके परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. That has given me immense confidence. The biggest doubt that I had, I don't know why and where it came from, but I just had it. But I just had it, which is gone now. That's a good thing. Plus, Sauce Audio, we're launching another product this month. The product name is Blink, and we are pretty slow over there. I'm not able to scale it because obviously the money is tight. मैं हर महीने उस पर पिछले 10 महीने से एक सर्टेन अमाउंट इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. और ये ऐसा इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं उस अमाउंट से मार्केटिंग करूँ अपनी कंपनी की जो मैं कंसिस्टेंटली कर पाऊँ. मैं नहीं चाहता कि एक महीने के अंदर मैं 5 लाख स्पेंड करूँ और नेक्स्ट मंथ मैं 50,000 रुपये स्पेंड करूँ. The only thing that I'm spending on right now is search engine optimization. I'm not sure how relevant that would be. I also know that it takes almost about a year or so I wanna stick to that routine. I wanna go ahead with that. And I hope कि जो आने वाले 6 महीने हैं वो मेरे पिछले 2 साल को कवर कर दें. बस I just wanted to share all these life updates with you guys. And जो भी इस YouTube चैनल पे है, I think my 212th promise to myself, not to the videos, कि यार मैं इस चैनल पे कंसिस्टेंट हो जाऊँगा. एंड आई थिंक अब मुझे होना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज I've got no choice left. I have bills to pay एंड इस चैनल को चलना ही पड़ेगा. अगर अब मैंने इस चैनल को ना चलाया तो मैं इस चैनल को कभी नहीं चला पाऊँगा. Again, this channel speaks about music and my life plus my original songs. Honestly, I'll really appreciate if you guys stick around to this channel. I want to make these videos because I feel कि कुछ सालों बाद जाके I could just revisit all the memories that I'm living right now. It's kind of like a vlogging diary, if you might say. That's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, enjoy, and keep listening to good music.